హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు భూవికా స్టడీస్. మనం వచ్చేసి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో జియోగ్రఫీకి సంబంధించిన మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో చాలామంది వచ్చేసి పీడిఎఫ్స్ గురించి అడుగుతున్నారు. సో పీడిఎఫ్స్ అనేది మేము రెడీ చేస్తున్నాము, స్టాటిక్ జీకే టాపిక్ వైజ్ అనమాట. సో ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో యూజ్ అయ్యే టాపిక్స్ మాత్రమే మనం పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది రెడీ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో అది మేబీ మీకు సండే లేకపోతే మండే మార్నింగ్కి మేము అవైలబుల్లోకి తీసుకురావడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్, మనం డైలీ జీకే వచ్చేసి 10 o'clock మార్నింగ్, జిఎస్ వచ్చేసి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 2 o'clock, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ వీక్లీ అనమాట. అది మనం సండే మాత్రమే అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ ఇప్పటి వరకు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ని బై చేయకపోయింటే ప్లీజ్ బై చేయండి. మనకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసి 399 రూపీస్కే 2500 క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే ఈ బుక్తో సహా మనకు ఇయర్లీ పాస్ అనేది వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతోంది. సో ఇందులో మీకు తెలుగులో కూడా ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి, అలాగే కొత్తగా ఫుల్ మాక్ టెస్ట్లు కూడా వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కోసం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు, జస్ట్ మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో జాయిన్ అయితే చాలు, మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మీకు అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ కూడా తెలుగులోనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో లింక్ అనేది కింద నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను. ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా కానీ మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే మీకు 30% డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది వాళ్ళు మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు, కింద లింక్ ఉంది, జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట, గ్రూప్ డీకి సంబంధించిన మోస్ట్ రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, జియోగ్రఫీకి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీడియో అనేది షార్ట్గా చేయడానికి ముఖ్య కారణం వచ్చేసి మీకు టైం సేవ్ చేయడానికి కోసం మాత్రమే మనం వీడియో అనేది షార్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎవరైనా కానీ మన ఛానల్ని మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. మేము పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో రావడం జరుగుతుంది.
Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from geography that you can definitely expect for upcoming exam like SSC as well as railway exam. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? And the answer is 8 states. Name the lowest point in India, and it is Kuttanar, present in Kerala. Name the longest beach in India, and it is Mariana Beach. Name the world's largest freshwater island, and it is Majuli, present in Brahmaputra river. Name the oldest mountain range of India, and it is Aravalli. What is the geographical area wise rank of India? And it is 7th. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by which water body? And it is 10 degree channel. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? And it is Myanmar. What is the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? And it is 5 hours and 30 minutes. What is the population wise rank of India? And it is 2nd position. Which state has the longest coastline in India? And it is Gujarat. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite in India? And it is Odisha. Which latitude divides India into two parts? And it is 23.5 degree. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of coal production? And it is 3rd. Which is the highest peak of Satpura range? And it is Dhubgarh, present in Madhya Pradesh. Which channel separates Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands? And it is 9 degree channel. Which Indian state shares longest international border? And it is Rajasthan. In which state India's highest waterfall Jogfall is situated? And it is Karnataka. Name the highest peak of Karakoram range? And it is Godwin Austen, also called K2. Name the highest peak of Aravalli mountains? And it is Guru Shikhar. Name the river which is also called the Sorrow of Bengal? And it is Damodar river. Which river makes an estuary? And it is Narmada river. Which city of India is also called the city of 7 islands? And it is Mumbai. Name the hill station which is also called Queen of Satpuras? And it is Panchmari. Where is Raisini Hills located? And it is present in Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. In which state Balur Lake is located? And it is Jammu and Kashmir. India is divided into how many seismic zones according to earthquake zoning map? And it is 4 zones. Which type of soil is mainly found in India? And it is alluvial soil. In which state Forest Research Institute is located? And it is Dehradun. Which imaginary line divides India into 2 equal parts? And it is Tropic of Cancer. Name the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island? And it is Saddle Peak. What is the other name of Regur soil? And it is black soil. Where is Loktak Lake situated? And it is present in Manipur. Which city is also called Queen of Arabian Sea? And it is Kochi. Why is 82.5 longitude geographically important to India? And it is because it determines the Indian Standard Time. Name the river which does not form any delta? And it is Tapti river. Which lake in India has the highest water salinity? And it is Sambar lake. Name the island of India in which active volcano is found and it is barren islands? Which city is also called Sangam city and it is Allahabad? And which city is also called city of prime minister and it is also Allahabad? Name the world's oldest mountain range and it is Aravalli mountain range. Western Ghats are also called Sayadri. Name the highest peak of Nilgiri hills and it is Dolabeta, present in Tamil Nadu. Ganga river originates from which place? And the answer is Bhagirathi in Gangotri glacier. Name the pass which connects Srinagar to Leh and it is Zojila Pass. Which state is also called Sugar Bowl of India and it is Uttar Pradesh? Name the second highest peak in the world and it is K2. What is the other name of Brahmaputra river? And it is called Tsangpo in Tibet, Yarlung Jiangbu in China, Jamuna in Bangladesh, Lohit Siang or Dihang in India. In which state the famous Gir forest is present and it is present in Gujarat? Which country has the longest international boundary with India? And it is Bangladesh. Which river of India crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice and it is Mahi river? Name the only state of India that produces saffron and it is Jammu and Kashmir. Which city is called the Manchester of India and it is Ahmedabad? And which state is called the Rice Bowl of India and it is Andhra Pradesh? Name the longest national highway of India and it is NH44 connecting Srinagar and Kanyakumari. Which state is called the land of 5 rivers and it is Punjab? How many islands are present in Lakshadweep and it is 36? Which is the largest river of peninsular India and it is Godavari? Name the mountain range which separates northern India from southern India and it is Vindhya range. In which state Dal Lake is present and it is Jammu and Kashmir? Indian subcontinent is originally a part of Gondwana land. Which city of India is also called the Pearl City and it is Hyderabad? Name the highest multi-purpose dam built on the river Ravi and it is Ranjit Sagar Dam. Which Indian state is called the lead producer of copper and it is Madhya Pradesh? Name the highest peak of Eastern Ghats and it is Jinda Gada in Andhra Pradesh. What is the southern boundary of India and it is Indian Ocean? And what is the southwest boundary of India and it is Arabian Sea? And what is the southeast boundary of India and it is Bay of Bengal? Which city of India is called the Lake District of India and it is Nainital? And which city is called the City of Lakes in India and it is Udaipur? In which state of India diamond is found and it is present in Madhya Pradesh in Panna? Name the state which has largest area under waste land and it is Rajasthan. Name the coldest desert lying in the Great Himalayas and it is Ladakh. McMahon line is the boundary between which two countries and it is between India and China. Name the highest dam of India and it is Tehri Dam. Which river flows through the most number of states in India and it is Ganga? Nagarjuna Sagar multipurpose project is located on which river and it is present on Krishna river? Name the second largest coastal state of India and it is Andhra Pradesh. What is the longest river of India that flows entirely within India and it is Godavari river? How many types of soils are found in India and it is 6 types? Name the largest inland saltwater lake of India and it is Sambar lake. And name the largest coastal saltwater lake of India and it is Silka lake. Bhakranangal dam is situated in which river and it is present in Sutlej river? On which river Sardar Sarovar dam is built and it is Narmada river? Which city of India is also called the Silicon Valley of India and it is Bengaluru? Which region of India is now regarded as the ecological hotspot and it is Western Ghats? Satpura mountain range is located between which two rivers and it is Narmada and Tapi? Name the river which is also called Dakshin Ganga or Virda Ganga and it is Godavari river. Name the second longest river of peninsular India and it is Krishna river. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of which state of India and it is Tamil Nadu. What is the southernmost point of India and it is Indra Point present in Andaman and Nicobar Island? What is the southernmost point of India's mainland and it is Kanyakumari? What is the highest peak of southern India and it is Anaimudi? Name the largest lagoon lake of India and it is Silka lake. On which state Kishan Ganga river flows and it is Jammu and Kashmir? How many states are within Indian Deccan Plateau and it is 8 states? What is the largest state area wise in India and it is Rajasthan? Name the highest peak of peninsular plateau and it is Anaimudi. How many neighboring countries India have? So India has 7 neighboring countries. Name the 2 main rivers which flows in Aravalli mountain range and it is Mahi and Luni. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.